In Excel, formulas are created by users. Functions are ready-made formulas available in Excel. Before creating a formula, you should understand Excel operators, procedures, and syntax. Here's an example of how formulas are created. Double-click a cell. Then type an equal sign. Use a number or reference a cell. Next, use a calculation operator. Enter the next number or reference a cell. Click Enter for Excel to display results. To use one of Excel's functions, double-click a cell, type the equal sign, then start typing the function that you want to use. Enter the information or reference a cell with the information needed to execute the function. Before using a function, you should understand the purpose of the function and the type of data the function needs to execute correctly. Likewise, you should understand how Excel operators work when constructing a formula. There are 4 categories of operators in Excel: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, reference operators, and text operators. Arithmetic operators include the addition operator used to add numbers. The minus sign, used in subtraction, is also used to record negative numbers. The multiplication operator, used in multiplication calculations. The forward slash is used for division. The percent operator is used when calculating percents. And the exponentiation operator is assigned the caret symbol. The comparison operators include the equal sign, used to start a formula or function, also denotes equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. The reference operators include the range operator, the union operator, the intersection operator, the pound operator, and at operator. Lastly, there is a text operator, the ampersand, used to concatenate 2 values. To explore available functions, click any cell and select Insert Function. In the dialog box, choose a category. Click the function name and read the description. Notice the data type the function requires, as entering the wrong data type will return an error. Not all functions use numbers within the parentheses. Some functions are designed to use dates, text, or other values. No matter what function you choose, you should first research the function to understand how it works. With a good understanding of user-created formulas and Excel ready-made functions, you can combine your formulas with functions to create a variety of solutions.